Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to solve your Pyraminx cube. It looks quite complex, but actually in this video I will show you it is quite a simple cube, or puzzle. But before I'm gonna scramble it up, I'm gonna show you the rotations of this cube, which are also quite easy. This is the R move, so R inverted. This is the L move, and the L inverted. And this is the U move and the U inverted. And in this tutorial there's also a whole cube rotation, and that's this one, and that's just flipping it once to the left like this, and that's a Z inverted. So again, the rotations are R inverted, L inverted, U inverted, and a Z inverted cube rotations. Okay, I'm gonna scramble up the cube. So the first step in solving your Pyraminx cube is trying to solve a total layer of the Pyraminx. And what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna start rotating a corner, and then you can start however you want to start. So in this case we want, in this position, we want the green and yellow, because this is green and yellow, and because yellow is in front we're gonna use like this. So we're gonna turn this away, insert it, and insert like this. And what we have just done is we inserted this piece. So what we need here is a green and yellow one. I'm gonna look for that one, and it's probably over here. So it was over here. We can just connect them like that, and then turn the tip again to complete the first one. Continue, and we just need one piece over here, which is red and green, and it's over there. So you connect the red, you turn the other one away, so it's in the L, but you turn the right. So you turn the right, U inverted, right inverted, and as you can see, you connected that piece as well. We're going to continue to the last one, and what we need here is a blue and a green one. I'm going to look it up in the top layer, and it's over here. So you connect it with the blue, turn the other one away so we can insert it, and as you can see, you've now solved the total layer of your Pyraminx cube. It's quite intuitively and quite easy, and we're going to continue to the second step in solving your Pyraminx. What we're going to do in this step is that we're gonna try to fix the edge pieces of your Pyraminx. So you're gonna look for one that's already correct, and that's in this case the red and blue one, and you're gonna position it in the back of your cube, and you're gonna use the following algorithm. That's an L, R inverted, L inverted, R, and then you're gonna flip your cube, a Z inverted move, and you're gonna continue, well actually you're gonna use the algorithm you just did, or then the opposite. So you're gonna start with an L inverted, R, L, R inverted, and as you can see, you now fixed all the edge pieces, and the bottom layer is still intact, but we can to show it, and you just have to rotate these in the correct position. And how you can do that, I'm just gonna show you. The last step of solving your Pyraminx is solving the middle pieces in the second layer of your cube, and that's quite simple, and there's not really an algorithm for, but you can use the following algorithm to try and move these pieces, and it's quite easy, and you just continue using or run this algorithm until they're in the correct place. So R, U, R, I, U, R, U, R, I, U. And as you can see, just fixing the tip again, you solved your total Pyraminx. As I said in the beginning of this tutorial, this video, it looks complex, but solving it is quite easy. I hope this tutorial helped you solving your Pyraminx puzzle, and hope to see you again next time in my next video. Thank you.